Hello, and I hope you're doing well. On this video we're going to look at this Efine 4 tiers shelving unit with wheels. And here are the dimensions: 14 inches by 36 inches by 57.7 inches. And this is what it looks like. It has a chrome finish all around, and here you have the 4 tiers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's take these off. This is what's holding it together, one on each side. Other zip ties. So now that the zip ties are gone, we can lift this off. We're gonna use this. Here's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So these go on top of each shelf. And there's more zip ties holding the legs right here. So let's get rid of these. I see that there are some instructions. So let's take a look. Here are step-by-step instructions. They look pretty clear to me. And they're in English and as well as in Spanish. On the steps, it says the first step is to put the wheel on one of these posts. And here, the post has a place to put the wheel on. So there, you have 1. So you need to do 4 of these. If you do not want to use the wheels, and it's going to be static, you have the option B, which is this. So just screw this on instead of the wheel. So that's a good option. But I want the wheels because I want to move this around. But it's nice to have these just in case. Now with the wheels, you have this little tool to make them tighter. So go ahead and make it a little tighter on all the wheels. The second step is to put these 2 into one of these spaces. You want to make it higher, you can go ahead and start here. And it kind of stops here in each line. So it's really up to you where you want it to stop. I'm gonna put it about here because there's enough space. If you had the little legs, maybe you want to start a little bit higher, but I'm gonna start there. So you have to put both of these with the side facing top. It says right here top, and on the other side it says top as well. So make sure that they're here like that. I guess depending on your height, of course. Here's the 4th leg. So make sure this says top. And put them on all at the same height. Third step is to grab all these 4 legs and put them through one of the shelves. Make sure that the shelf on the corners, it says the name of the company, Efine. So just make sure that they're the right direction. And you're gonna grab one of the legs on each corner and put it through the hole. And if you push this, it'll actually stop right there. You can't push it any further. So you're gonna do the same thing with the rest. Now you're gonna grab another bag, and you have the plastic clips, and you're gonna put this standing, and you're gonna kind of figure out where you want to put the next shelf. So go ahead and put these facing top, and let's say you want to put them here. You go ahead, do the same. In my case, I'm going to put it a little bit higher. So there you have that one. And now you're ready to put the next shelf. Make sure that the shelf is in the right direction. And go ahead and put it on all four sides. And once you push it down, it stays there. The next step is to grab the next leg here and screw it on here. So we have the leg. One was harder to put on, but using both hands like this, one on the bottom and one on top, it went in there. The other ones were a lot easier to put on there. The next step is to do the same thing for the next shelf. Make sure that they both say top and put them wherever you want. Just make sure that they're all at the same level. Once you have all four, then go ahead and put the next shelf. And lastly, you do the same thing on top. Now that you have all four shelves, you have this plastic to put on. If you want to put it, go ahead and leave it like that. He has this, so it goes into place very well. And you have four of those as well. I just saw that this one is a little bit high, or too high, so I'm gonna lower it down. So the good thing about this is that if you want to go ahead and raise this a little bit, I want to take that off. So you can raise this, probably hold it with one hand or have somebody help you, and then unclip this too, and then perhaps put it somewhere where you want it to be, somewhere lower. In my case, I'm going to put it around here. Do the same thing with all four, and then you just lower down the shelf, and that's it. And this is how the finished product looks like. And the wheels have brakes. It has off on one side, on the other. So when they're off, you can move this around. And that's it. I hope this video helps you in any way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.